Stay confident, stay aware, stay alert. You want to stay sober and alert. Don't make yourself vulnerable. Don't let your guard down, no matter how safe you think you are. They're just measures to try and reduce the risk. The risk is always there. Don't look vulnerable. Look confident. Look like you're not a target and you're someone to be reckoned with. If you have some things that you can do to reduce the risk, they become habit and second nature. And you can enjoy the journey. You can enjoy the travel as a solo traveler. It's freeing and liberating. Yay. Hi, I'm Linda. So when I say I feel safe in an area and the vibe feels safe and I think it's going all good and I think, yeah, it's generally a safe place here. Just remember. All right, let's wind back a bit. Yesterday, I said this. When I was in Qatar yesterday at Qatar Beach and the Qatar night market and the street and waiting for the bus in the dark, I must say I felt very safe as a solo female traveller. I was not hassled at all. I feel very safe as a solo female traveller in Quran as well, in the daytime and the nighttime, on the beaches, on the streets. And even while I say I wasn't hassled, it's just the vibe, like the energy, the vibe. You watch what's going on around you, and I didn't feel threatened. I didn't feel like there could be a threat. Just remember, in every town, in every city, in every country, there is always someone, some people, just waiting to take advantage of someone who's not quite on the ball or have let their guard down or is looking vulnerable. So stay aware. Don't let your guard down. Even if you think it feels and looks safe, particularly as a solo traveller, stay confident, stay aware, stay alert. Do not be under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Stay safe. As a solo female traveller or solo traveller at all, you want to stay sober and alert. I'll have one drink. That's it. Don't make yourself vulnerable. Don't let your guard down, no matter how safe you think you are. Listen to what's going on around you. No earbuds in your ears. No listening to music. Keep yourself aware and listening. Look at what's going on around you. It means no scrolling on the phone while you're walking. And no talking on cameras. I think I've got myself in a really safe place here to do this vlogging, but I probably wouldn't do it in a really, really busy area where I suspected, or where there's a heap of people. Look around and keep yourself safe. See what's going on. Don't look down scrolling on your phone. That makes you vulnerable if you're not aware of what's going on. That's when people can take advantage of you. Use the reflections in shop windows. I do that a lot, so I can see, behind me, beside me, can see what's going on around you. You see if anyone's following you, see what's happening behind you. Use the reflections in shop windows as a safety mechanism. It's beautiful here. And look at people. Look look at who's around you, look them in the eye, look them in the face. If they're being seen and they know they're being seen, then they're less likely to take advantage of you and you're not so vulnerable. It's those people who are unaware that get targeted and taken advantage of. Hey, look, believe me, like anyone could get taken advantage of, even if they are being seen. They're just measures to try and reduce the risk. The risk is always there. It's just trying to do what you can to reduce it. So see what's going on around you, see the people. Stand tall and confident. Even if you're not completely feeling it inside, behave like you are. Have confident body language. Be on a mission. Make it look like you know where you're going and what you're doing. Because it's someone who looks lost and vulnerable and scared and anxious, where someone can feel like they can approach you, offer to help you, and sometimes take advantage of that. I'm not saying everyone, I'm just saying reduce the risk. There are people out there. Most people can be trusted. Believe me, I've had to rely on some strangers for help many times. Most people are very genuine and very trusting. But reduce the risk. Don't let your guard down. Blend in with the crowd. Don't stand out as someone completely different. And again, vulnerable, target. Just blend in. Wear plain, subdued clothing. Wear what other people are wearing. Stand near other people, stand in crowds. If you're waiting for an entry or a venue or something to open, stand next to other people so you don't look so alone and vulnerable and solo. Don't tell people you're solo and alone unless you can fully trust them or you know you can trust them. Just reduce the risk. Don't stand out. Don't look vulnerable. Look confident. Look like you're not a target and you're someone to be reckoned with. They won't come near you. If you do come up against someone dodgy or possibly threatening, untrustworthy, pretend you've got to meet someone. Pretend you've just got a message or you've just got a phone call. Say, hey, yeah, I'm just around the corner. I'm here. I'll see you. And one say, I see you. And just pretend to see someone across the road and go. Just pretend. You've got to pretend you're not alone. I don't like to lie, but when it's for my own safety, you need to keep yourself safe at times. Don't tell those strangers where you're staying or where you're going. If they insist, make up a little lie. Just say you're going that way, but you're actually going that way. If it's for your own safety, just do it. Reduce the risk. Remember, the risk is always there. Safe and happy traveling. Enjoy the journey. If you have some things that you can do to reduce the risk, they become habit and second nature. And you can enjoy the journey. You can enjoy the travel as a solo traveler. It's freeing and liberating. Yay. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm here as a travel guide to help you to hopefully travel better, to plan your travels. Travel hints and tips and guides, all sorts of information and travel vlogs to try and help you travel better, to enjoy the journey, to plan better, to stay safe and enjoy each moment, make the most of it. Happy travelling and enjoy the journey. I've been travelling solo for over 18 years, travelled through over 20 countries across Australia, Asia and Europe, all solo. Happy travelling, travel safe and enjoy the journey. Please subscribe for more travel vlogs and more travel guides. Beautiful. Wow, my goodness.